No. What? Guys, I'm packing. I'm packing to go. I'm packing in my suitcase. Well, actually not my suitcase, but my sister lent me her suitcase, so I'm packing. And I've got my thing that I weigh my luggage with. I've got gifts for Bethany. Gifts for Bethany. Gift for Bethany. Gift for Bethany. I've got my daughter's ranch dressing. I'm packing to go, guys. I'm packing to go. But here I am packing to go, guys. And hang on. Hold the fort, guys. Hang on. I'll be right back. Ugh, I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm freaking out. Hang on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Something's here. What is here? Oh my goodness. I'm freaking out. Something's here. Something's here. What is it? What is it? Oh my God. What? Let's go see. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Look who's here with me today.
Hello.
Hello. It's Rusty. Rusty the Happy Meal Rooster. You know what that means, guys? Guess what that means?
Happy Mail.
Happy Meal. I'm freaking out, guys. Okay, so I was packing. I was stressed. I couldn't breathe. And now Rusty's here with Happy Meal. What do you got for me today, Rusty? Oh. Did you guys see the Purelator guy come? I've got one. Rusty, there's more. 2, 3. What in the world is going on? Oh, thank you, Rusty. Thank you, thank you. If anybody doesn't know, this is Rusty. Rusty the Happy Meal Rooster. Okay. I'll like him above somewhere if I remember where he came to be. Okay, thanks, Rusty. Oh my goodness. Where do I start? What do I do? What do I do? I can't. The Purelator man brought me, like, what the hell's going on here? I'm totally freaking out, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start with the small one. Do I start with the small one? I'm gonna start with the small one. I'm like losing my you-know-what right now. I'm totally losing it. Okay, we got notes. Okay, gift for you. These are unknown. They looked good, but let me know. I don't know what you're... What? Okay. A gift for you. These are an unknown. They looked good, but let me know. And I don't know... From Reese. What the hell? What is it? I'm freaking out right now, guys. Look. Oh, days will be better. Oh, what a perfectly fitting thing. Oh, this is freaking me out, and you're not going to know why. Because I'm packing today, guys. And I don't know, oh my God, and I don't know what hooks to take with me. Because I'm afraid that if something happens to my hooks that I have, and my luggage gets lost or confiscated or something. Oh, this came at the most perfect time. Oh my God. Oh, this came at the most perfect time for me. Guys, are you serious? This came at no better of a more perfect time than that right now as I'm packing. I know. Okay, so there's stitch markers and those things, you know, those things, guys, that you sew in your ends with. And what on earth is this? Oh, scissors. Okay, for hooks. Hooks, guys. Hooks. Hang on. I'm freaking out. Hang on. Okay. I needed a moment because it's almost as if somebody was watching me pack today and worried and concerned. So there's oh, I'm freaking, I can't believe this. This is something that I don't know. I've never seen this before in my life and I don't know how to open it, but I know there's like a scissory thing inside of it. Oh, maybe maybe take that off. Oh, when you clippity clip, you I can't believe, were you reading my mind today or what? So I've got a whole bunch of hooks and I think these are, oh yeah, baby. They've got the, oh yeah, baby. They've got the ergonomic, how do you say that word, guys? I can't speak right now. Ergonomic shape to them. Hello. Oh, this is, and a tape measure, and a tape measure. Can you believe it? And a tape measure. Okay, so, but now I'm afraid I don't want to pack these and lose these. So, do you see where my mind goes, guys? Maybe I'll take my old hooks and keep the new fresh ones. I don't know. Stay tuned to find out. But there's more. I don't believe this. I really don't believe this. I really don't believe this. Okay, that's that. Okay, so what's this? It says tear here, so I tear in here. Is there a note? Is there a note? I see yarn. I see yarn. Freaking out. Hope this is good. Thought you could make something for Bethany. Okay, I have one thing to say to you. I swear to God, I swear to everybody, this was going through my head. What kind of yarn? Am I taking yarn? What am I taking? I don't know. Cotton, look at this. What is this? Oh, Knit Pal Cottonista sport weight yarn. I can't tell you, I cannot tell you how much you, seriously, did you rig my house or something? You must have been hearing me all day today, speaking out loud. I know this noise is probably bothering 1,000 of you, and I'm so sorry. I'm trying to be quiet, but I'm freaking out. I am going to make something fantabulous for Bethany. This is like the perfect size to put in my luggage. This is perfect. I've got, I think I'm only allowed so much weight. I'm shaking. Cottonista, cotton yarn. I believe I was saying I needed more cotton in my life. I've got cotton yarn, guys, in my life. Oh, monthly yarn giveaway. Sign up to win. I'm gonna have to sign up to win. Unless somebody steals my whatever. Cotton sport weight. Thank you. 4-ply, 100% cotton. Hello. Thank you. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of these suckers. My mind is blown right now. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Reese? Thank you. Okay, now what is it? What in the combobulations could this be? Jeez, what is this? A Christmas tree? The size of it. Oh my God, it's like Christmas in here. Oh my God, it's gift wrap too. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. Oh, look. Look at that. Oh. Am I allowed to read this? Yeah, or no? I don't know. Do I read that? I don't know. I'm going to obey. I'm going to obey the instructions. This is so pretty. Okay. Okay. Boxes, boxes. What the hell could this be? Very large Tunisian hooks. Maybe it's Tunisian hooks. I don't know. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. I'm gonna need a nap. Oh. Look.
You all right?
Look. It's the thing that.
The thing.
Oh, are you kidding me? You know, okay. It's that really expensive thing that you need. It's that really expensive thing you need that when you have hanks of yarn
To put it into a ball?
to
Put it into a skein?
yeah. Oh, and oh, wow. I don't know how to use it. Oh, yeah. Oh, we are going to have so much fun with this, aren't we?
Oh, I imagine.
Oh, we are going to have so much fun with this. Oh, I don't know what to say. I'm blown away. Look at the wood. It's wood. I love wood. And then you put it. Oh, we're going to have to read instructions. We're going to have to watch videos. I've seen the videos. Somehow you put, okay, I guess I had it too opened. Somehow you take your, like a fancy, the fancy yarn that I have that I was never able to use because it was fancy and I didn't want to unfancy it. We're going to get fancy in the house here, guys. We are getting fancy and I can't thank you enough. And you put this on a table and you screw it in and then you take your fancy yarn. You see the fancy yarn?
Yeah.
I got fancy stuff in the house, guys. I'm getting all fancy when I come back up from my trip. I gotta buy a special fancy hank of yarn. I gotta buy a fancy hank of yarn to do my first look at me. I'm fancy and I can't thank you enough. Wow. I'm gobsmacked. I don't know where this goes. Oh, there. It goes like that, and then you put it under your table.
I don't see any Hanks.
You don't see any Hanks.
No.
Those things.
Oh, here's one.
Yeah, those things. They're Hanks. No. Yeah, that one, that's not a Hank. Nope, that's not a Hank. Okay, I'll teach him what a Hank is, guys.
Oh, I know what one is.
Yeah. Thank you. I cannot say thank you enough. Okay, we're hanking her down. When I get back, we're going hanking. We're hanking her up.
Not a Hank?
Yeah, this is my tangled whoops. Oh yeah, I somehow ruined this. Well, I did something funky with this hanky yarn. But you get the drift. Yeah. And then somehow you put it on this, and then you have to pay attention to which string you cut. So we're not getting into it now. This is something I'm stressing out already. Thank you. I cannot thank you enough. Look, I got something to go. I was freaking out wondering what hooks I'm going to take.
Oh.
And look at the yarn. Thank you. I gotta go. I'm a mess. You have blessed me so much. Thank you. Rusty says thank you. I was gonna do a video today, but I'm glad I did. Actually, I was gonna do a packing video with you guys, but I was like, no, I'm too stressed out. You've calmed my spirits, and I thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart. Have a great weekend. Thank you.